How to pin an Instagram live comment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually pin a live comment while you're doing an Instagram live. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Instagram app to the latest version. So if you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can simply type in Instagram and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we have updated Instagram, I'm going to simply go ahead and open it and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now before trying to pin an Instagram live comment, first of all I'm going to simply show you a demo by going live. So I'm going to simply right swipe my fingers on my screen, and then I'm going to tap on the live button, and then I'm going to start a live video right over here. So we are going to wait until someone's comment, and as you can see we have received a comment. Now what if we want to pin this comment? What you want to do is simply tap on the comment once, and here you will be able to see multiple options. You want to simply tap on this option which says pin comment right over here. So go ahead and tap on the pin comment button as you see it, and as you can see that comment has been successfully pinned. Now whenever someone else posts a new comment and whenever someone joins in on this live conversation or this live chat or this live room, they will actually be able to see this pinned comment right over here in this way. So this was the way to actually pin a comment on Instagram live. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.